Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Quick Assist for beginners on Windows 11. Quick Assist is a useful Windows tool that can help you get remote assistance from another trusted person. First, click on the Start button. In the search box, type Quick Assist. Now click on Quick Assist from the search results to open it. Once Quick Assist opens, you will see the main Quick Assist window. The options available may look slightly different depending on your Windows version. For this demonstration, we are going to focus on the Help Someone option. Click on Help Someone. After clicking Help Someone, Quick Assist may ask you to sign in with a Microsoft account. A Microsoft sign-in page may now appear. This sign-in is needed when you want to provide remote assistance to another person. For this beginner tutorial, I am not going to enter an email address or password. I'm simply showing you where the Microsoft sign-in page appears. If you want to provide assistance, you can sign in with your Microsoft account and follow the instructions shown by Quick Assist. After signing in, Quick Assist can provide the information needed to establish a remote assistance session. Remember to use Quick Assist only with people you trust, because remote assistance can allow another person to interact with your computer. For this tutorial, we are not connecting to another computer. So, after showing the sign-in page, I'll simply go back or close the window. And that's the basic way to open and use Quick Assist as a beginner. The important steps are simple. Open Start, search for Quick Assist, open the application, and select Help Someone when you want to provide assistance. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope this beginner's guide was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more easy Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.